Hi guys. I wanted to speak with you as this morning I woke up to crazy market. I wanted to fund some more money into my account so that I can avoid margin call and save my positions. Basically, if you don't know and if you're new to margin trading, what it does is you can borrow money to trade in a way, and it happens by for example, let's say you wanna buy let's say XRP. It's a digital currency if you're not aware of what XRP is. Let's say you want to buy some XRP and you've got $1,000 and you want to buy 1,000 XRPs, taking into account one XRP is $1 at the moment. So with $1,000 you want to buy 1,000 XRP. If you're trading on the normal market, you should be able to buy 1,000 XRP, right? $1,000 each, $1 each per XRP. So that's 1,000 XRPs. You would be holding 1,000 XRPs after the transaction if you're not trading on leverage. But if you're trading on leverage, then that means that, for example, if you want to buy 1,000 XRPs which are priced at $1 and you're trading at, let's say, 10 times leverage, so that means you need 10 times less money to buy the same amount of XRP, which means if you want to be buying 1,000 XRPs, which is gonna usually cost $1,000 at the current price, 10 times less, you just take 1 0 out, so that's $100 you need to buy $1,000 worth of XRP. Right, so that's out of the way now. So that's how you trade on leverage. So this morning I woke up to see that I'm very close to get a margin call. So margin call you get when you're trading on a very high leverage or just on any leverage, and basically you can lose. If you don't get the margin call, you're gonna lose more than you have even funded in the account, because if you have just $1,000 worth of XRP and the price of XRP goes to zero, you're losing all of your money and all of your XRP. But for example, to lose more than your money, the price needs to go negative. So that's not possible in the real world, in the normal trading, spot trading account. You can't have an asset with a negative price. But when you're trading on leverage, you don't need the price to be going at zero or negative, basically, to lose money, because when the price drops with 10% and you're trading with 10 times more money, that means 10 times by 10% the price has dropped in reality, when you take into account that you're trading with leverage. The price for you has dropped with 100 percentage points, which means if if that's all the money what you have in the account, in the case $1,000, and you've bought $1,000 worth of XRP, which is going to be costing you $100, and the price drops by 10%, so the price dropped 100%, so the price basically went to zero, even though the price dropped from $1 to 90 cents. In the real world, because of the leverage, in your case the price dropped to zero, so you lost all of your money. But if the price drops to 11%, if the price drops 11%, that means it's 110% drop of the price, so you should be losing 10% more than what you have in your account, which is gonna be 100, which is going to be $800. So you're gonna be $100 negative in your account. So you lost your $1,000, plus you owe another $100 to the exchange, which you don't have in your account. So basically, like in a credit card account, you can go on minus because you're using money which you don't have. In the leveraged account, sometimes you can go in a negative state of the account, and you need to fund more money to cover the leverage, to cover the cost of your position, because it went negative, your balance went negative. But most of the times you just get a margin call. That's the name. That's how you call it. Your account drops to the zero of the value of your account, based on the positions which you've got. You've got some positions which went in positive territory, which means you made profit. Some of your positions went negative. But overall, if your account value drops below zero, or at least hits zero, or in some cases even before it hits zero, because sometimes the market is moving too fast, and you can't. It's very hard to close them exactly at the zero. So some trading account, they do what they do is like they limit 10% of the account value, for example. So when your account drops to about 10% of the account value, at least some of your positions are going to get closed, and so that you can cover the minimum requirements by the trading exchange. So what I saw this morning is that I'm about to hit my I'm about to get margin call, because I had a few positions, long-term positions with a higher value, which I was holding because I knew the market, no matter how much it drops, it's gonna recover. We are still in a bull market, even if Bitcoin drops. I would not even say significantly, because for Bitcoin to drop significantly, that means like 50, let's say 50% drop, for example, or over 50%, because of the high volatility. So we didn't even have that much of a drop. But what my plan was, if we get like a significant drop, to just fund more money. But when I tried to do that this morning, I got a message, and the message said, your account has been limited, or something of that sort. Basically, I was not able to use my account in full, and also it said I need to contact customer support. So when I contacted customer support, they have notified me that basically Naga that was the platform I was using. Has suspended the trading within UK. All the trading accounts in the UK were suspended. So basically, you can keep trading until I think it was the 6th of December or whatever day it was. But we've got some time still to, kind of close the positions on our terms. But because of the margin call, and because we are unable to fund any more money, so that we can essentially take higher risk, but still make sure that we don't get the margin call, so the positions are not closed because of the lack of the funds to cover the negative balance on the account. So basically, I could not fund money. I needed to go to work as well. I usually wake up at the last moment, and I rush. I'm trying to get as much sleep as possible, and I'm trying to get as much of the day as possible as well. So I was not able. I didn't have enough time on one side, but still I was going to be able to fund money. I'm pretty sure I was going to be able to fund money. But on the other side, I had to chat in the support with the customer support services, and they let me know that I'm not going to be able to fund any more funds in my account. I had a call later on. I requested a call from my account manager. I spoke with him, and I spoke with his manager as well. But I'll discuss that in a bit or in another video. But my main point was that I was not able to cover the margin call, so I lost quite a significant amount of money. I'll be sharing all the details on my website, and I will be publishing a lesson in the paid membership part of the site. So essentially what happened is I'm not going to be able to use anymore that account. Well, I'll be able to place some trades and stuff like that, but there is almost no money left in the account, number one, and number two, I don't know if it's worth to waste any more time with it if everything is going to be closed soon, and I'm not going to be able to fund any more money and use the account anymore. So yeah, that's the main thing. I'm not going to have access anymore to that account, to my Naga trading account, which is very sad because they had very good terms, very nice leverage, up to 1,000 times on up to 1,000 times leverage on the stock trading stocks, shares, and up to 20 times on crypto trading. So I was really enjoying it. I was enjoying it a lot, but I'm not gonna be able to use it anymore. I was loving the auto copy trading thing, and I was able to find a very successful trader to follow, which I was copying as well. So I was placing my trades, my ideas, and I was also auto copying one trader who was trading US 30 contracts, but it's all done now. I can't carry on doing it. Unfortunately, all the statistics went into the river, so to speak. Everything went, I'm not going to be able to use my statistics anymore. I'm not going to be able to keep trading there, and so on and so forth. So what I could do, we will be looking into other trading accounts, but because most of my money are investing in the crypto market, I'm not sure if I want to withdraw any more money from the crypto market, because we can have a huge price appreciation of the assets I hold anytime now, and I'm not sure what my idea is going to be for the near future. If I'm going to keep trading actively in a trading account and building up statistics again and stuff like that in a leveraged account, or if I'm going to be just if I'm going to be just swapping my assets like I used to do before. It's a tough day for me. It was shit at work as well, because one sec. It was also shit at work as well, because it was very cold. I had to work outside again, and so on and so forth. But nothing much you can do about that. I had a very rough day, and I'm very disappointed. And like I said, I had a long call with my trading account manager, and also I spoke with his manager as well. Just let me pause that for a moment so I can plug my car. Wow guys, just plugged my car. The wind outside is so strong, it could literally lift me off the ground, off my feet. Wow, the weather today was absolutely terrible. Wow. I'm actually scared that we might get some kind of storm. I went outside for just a second and I almost froze. It was that cold. The wind was freezingly cold. Damn. Oh, I'm so happy I'm not going to work tomorrow, because it's Saturday and I'm off Sunday as well. So just to continue, yeah, I had a long conversation with my manager and with his manager, and I think his manager agreed with me that basically it's not the best decision to not give any ability to the customers, and I'm classed as a professional trader. I had an interview with them and they agreed to give me a professional account. So I was trading in a professional account. Like I said, I had 1 to 1,000 leverage on my account. That was the maximum what I had. On crypto was 1 to 20. So basically yesterday night, by the way, as well, I placed 2 big trades on US 30 myself, getting greedy, and that was just literally yesterday, and in the morning I could not fund my account to avoid any margin call, and I decided to take a higher risk and not close the trades. even I knew that I wouldn't be able to fund any more funds. And I didn't have even so much time to think about it and so on and so forth, because I had to go to work, and it was crazy busy, mad busy, freezingly cold. I had no access to my phone and so on and so forth. The wind is absolutely crazy, by the way. Yeah, so the manager of my account manager agreed with me in a way that a professional trader should not be limited in such an aggressive way, because basically they said they spoke with each other, Naga and FCA, the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, and they concluded they should, as fast as possible, limit exposure to the UK customers because of the. Whoa, guys! I think the freaking sign where it says electric vehicle rapid charging station is going to be ripped off of the ground in a bit, and it's going to literally hit my car. It's just, I don't know if I've experienced such a strong wind in my life, honestly. It's crazy strong wind. Oh, sorry about that, but like, wow. Yeah. I lost my train of thought. So basically, what they did, they completely restricted customers for funding any more funds, right out of the blue, with no notice. Basically, the notice was, you're restricted, you can't fund any more funds. That was the notice. It was not like you're going to be restricted, with a prior notice, so that you have the time to fund some money if you want to, and then that's it. No, we were just restricted straight up the gate, and but so basically that led to my greed and this as well. But what was the chance? So basically, last night I've opened two very big positions with a 1 to 1000 leverage on US 30, and in the morning I'm being notified by the customer support. The whole car is literally moving like crazy. I'm absolutely terrified. Lamps are moving like they're gonna be ripped off from the ground. Wow. I don't know if you can hear or see, but the whole freaking car is about to fucking be flipped on the roof in a bit. So strong. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So they agreed with me that if you are classed as a professional trader, what's the point of being a professional trader if someone else is going to decide when your positions are going to be closed, when you're going to be able to fund and so on and so forth. Not that they decided when my positions are going to be closed, but if I can't fund my account to protect it from getting margin call, how was I supposed to react? What was my what could I have done? Nothing. Basically, they've decided the fate of my positions, which is insane. I don't know what kind of volatility we're going to see ahead. That's why I made the emergency report prior today, to let you know, guys, that I'm expecting some huge volatility. Otherwise, I wouldn't see, just for the 10% drop in Bitcoin, I don't see any reason to restrict, customers to trade. I'm expecting some massive drop in the markets in the days ahead, probably in the next 10 to 20 days, I would guess. Massive drop. We'll see how it goes, but I wouldn't be surprised. That doesn't mean that I expect the bull run to be over. And I even believe this time around it can carry on for a lot longer than usual. Because at the very least, at the end of 2022, we've got the ISO 222 implemented in fully. So that's gonna mean that there is a big chance XRP, XDC, and loads of other currencies related to the rules, and basically playing a major role in the near future in the financial system. They're going to be benefiting a lot, and so on and so forth. Cryptocurrency are getting adopted in a crazy pace. More and more accounts are opening every single day. So cryptocurrency are going to be accepted in so many places. They are accepted in PayPal already. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know what happened. I can see that I don't have much memory left in my phone, so it literally says 28 minutes and I've got 33 in total before the video ends. I'll probably have some more things to say, but I'll save it for another video. And that's all I have for this video, guys. Again, that's everything I say. Alright, it's not a financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor because I don't have any kind of professional education and qualification to give you financial advice. All I can do is give you my thoughts and share my experience so far, but I can't do anything more. See you in the next one, guys. Cheers.